This is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book on the flute with line C of line 52, 4-part little star. So we have 4 line Cs, and I'm not going to be able to scroll through everything, so bear with me, I have a way to deal with that. But let's see what we have in our first line. So we are only going to be looking at line C in this lesson. So as always, we start with our treble clef, and then we have our key signature with 2 flats. We have a B flat, which tells us all B's are flat, and we have an E flat, which tells us all E's are flat. Then we have our time signature. We are in 2/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number tells us the value of the whole note if we had one. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats. And half of a whole is a half. Half of 4 is 2, so our half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1, so our quarter notes get 1 beat each. So now we're going to go through and see what notes we have and look for some patterns. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll this up a bit so you can see the first line C and the second line C. All right, so let me adjust that. All right, so our first line C, you'll notice almost every measure that has quarter notes, they're the same note twice. So we start with 2 Ds, 1 beat each. Then we switch to 2 Fs, 2 Gs, and a half note F. And for all of those, my thumb is down. Then we have 2 measures of 2 Fs each. And then measure 7, we change G to F, 1 beat each. Skip down to a half note D. So I'm going to play that, and I have my metronome set to 88 beats per minute. If you play along with me, and I hope you do, I want you to make sure that you start each note with a t sound. Make it very clear. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. So that's the first line of part C in 4-part little star. If you look at the second line C down here, hopefully you've noticed they're identical. So I'm not going to go over the second line because it's the same as the first. So a couple things I want to bring to your attention. If you already watched the lesson for line A, you learned that 4-part little star is really Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Line B is harmony. Line C is harmony. It's line A that has the melody. So we are going to talk about form. That's the other thing. So this is harmony to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And now we have the idea of form. So we're going to talk big picture. Even though we are looking at line C, when we talk about form, we look for ideas and patterns that are same and different from each other. And so the first 2 lines for this particular lesson, we would say those are A, or the A theme, because they're identical. This line and this line are the same. So let's go to the next page and look at the third line C. All right, here we go. The third line C is different. It's all Fs. So it's all the same rhythm and all the same note. So we have all Fs on quarters, then a half note, 3 measures worth of quarters, and then a half note. So because that's different from the first 2 lines, we're going to call that the B theme or the B idea. And then if you look at the final line C, it's just like the first 2. So in talking about form, we would say the pattern is A, A, B, A. So what I'm going to do is, because I can't physically scroll and play at the same time, I am actually going to play this line C first 2 times, because that's like the previous page. Then I'm going to come up and play this line C once, because that is the third line. And then I'm going to come back down and play this line one last time. And there's our pattern, A, A, B, A. So I'm going to slow down my tempo to 84 beats per minute. And I hope you will follow along and play with me. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that's it for part C of line 52, 4-part Little Star. And if you get a chance, go back to the other lessons and try playing a different line along with what I'm playing on the video, and you'll get some really nice harmonies. But I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.